Click on the link below to get price. The Belmont 12 feet x 24 feet wood storage shed kit with floor is an impressive solution for anyone seeking ample storage space without compromising on aesthetics. Upon unboxing, I was struck by the quality of materials used. The wood is sturdy and appears to be treated for weather resistance, ensuring longevity against the elements. This kit comes with everything you need, including pre-cut pieces, hardware, and detailed instructions, making the assembly process straightforward, even for novice DIYers. Assembly took a full day for my partner and me, but the clear instructions made it manageable. Each piece fit together well, which speaks to the precision of the manufacturing process. The floor is a standout feature, as it provides a solid base that enhances the structural integrity of the shed while keeping the contents dry and protected from moisture. Once assembled, the exterior boasts a rustic charm that blends seamlessly into any backyard environment. The double doors allow for easy access and are wide enough to accommodate larger items like lawnmowers or bicycles. What's more, the generous size of 12 feet x 24 feet offers significant storage capacity, ideal for tools, garden supplies, or seasonal items. Inside, the spaciousness allows for optimal organization. Adding shelving or hooks is straightforward, enabling users to customize the interior layout to meet specific needs. Additionally, the option to paint or stain the wood provides further personalization, allowing it to match your home's aesthetic. Though the price point may be higher than some metal or resin options, the quality and durability of the Belmont shed justify the investment. The natural wood finish not only looks better but also contributes to a more eco-friendly choice. Overall, the Belmont 12 feet x 24 feet wood storage shed kit with floor is a practical, stylish, and durable addition to any property, providing excellent value for those in need of substantial storage space. Highly recommended for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor storage solutions.